we have always taken a profound interest in wildlife, including fish, amphibians, birds, reptiles. The creatures of nature are very fascinating, not only in terms of natural history, but also cultural history. The snake or serpent has, for example, played an important role in the history of human folklore and mythology. Our interest in biology has always been our deep fascination with the whole process of life, of evolution since the earliest age, and basically it's a fascinating component. But basically, some people believe in evolution, some people might not, and we always like to look at things objectively, and just as a kind of a just reflection. If we were trying to argue against evolutionary theory, we definitely consider evolution to be a fact in terms of natural history. But let's just say one of the things we thought about to argue, if we wanted to argue against evolution, one of the things that was always fascinating is, how it just seems so counterintuitive. It almost seems like an article of faith. Of course, we don't believe it's an article of faith, but it would almost seem like it to suggest, for example, how can something as seemingly distant as, for example, a blade of grass, how can a blade of grass to a modern human being ultimately be related? How can all the broad spectrum of life, how can every living being on this planet today share a single common ancestor?